Hello everyone, this is my review of the Doritos Variety Pack Totila chips. Gonna open up the box and show you all the chips that you get in here. You get a total of 5 different flavors of Doritos chips. As you can see, there's a whole bunch in here, and this box will last you a long time. And you probably won't get bored of one flavor since you have so many different ones. But let's get ready to go through some of the flavors here. We have the chili lime, and we have Cool Ranch, one of my favorites. Next, we have the sweet chili, spicy sweet chili. We have the spicy nacho, and there's nacho cheese in here as well. I hope this review helps.